Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this session. Let us discuss about the caste inequalities in India. Unlike gender and religion, caste division is special to India. All societies have some kind of social inequality and some form of division of labor. In most societies, occupations are passed on from one generation to another. Caste system is an extreme form of this. What makes it different from other societies is that in this system, hereditary occupational division was sanctioned by rituals. Members of the same caste group were supposed to form a social community that practiced the same or similar occupation, married within the caste group, and did not eat with members from other caste groups. Caste system was based on exclusion of and discrimination against the outcast groups. The outcast groups were those people who were considered as not a part of the society. They were socially excluded from the mainstream of the society. They were subjected to the inhuman practice of untouchability. That is why political leaders and social reformers like Jyotiba Phule, Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Periyar Ramaswamy Neka advocated and worked to establish a society in which caste inequalities are absent. Partly due to their efforts and partly due to other socio-economic changes, castes and caste systems in modern India have undergone great changes with economic development, large scale urbanization, growth of literacy and education, occupational mobility, and the weakening of the position of landlords in the villages. The old notions of caste hierarchy are breaking down. The Constitution of India prohibited any caste based discrimination and laid the foundations of policies to reverse the injustices of the caste system. Thank you.